welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Ranis get anticipatory bail in Dahej mineral bribery case. Ranis not to leave Goa without court permission. Tempo College sword attack case. Lookout notice against main accused Atish Kalangutkar. Police ask court for non-bailable warrant. BJP claims Sri Ram Sene cannot be banned. No law to ban any organization. Slams Congress for poor performance in assembly session and personal attacks. Served special double-decker train arrives in Goa but with a least number of passengers. Authorities say it is too early to predict the success of train. And 4 days remand to fake certificate racketeers. Investigation reveals certificates sought by customer mostly for availing public transport licenses. And now the news in detail. It's a relief for senior and junior Rane. CBI court at Mapsa has granted anticipatory bail to Pratap Singh Rane and his son Vishwajit Rane. Ranes will not be able to leave Goa without court's permission. Court has directed Ranes not to intimidate witnesses or the complainant in the Dahej mineral lease bribery case.
The bail applications of both Sri Pratap Singh Rane and Sri Vishwajit Rane have been allowed. And as far as conditions, I can't say anything now. We'll wait for the order to come. But both applications are allowed. Both are granted anticipatory bail. Thank you.
No, it has been granted. Conditional bail has been anticipatory bail has been granted. 1 lakh with 1 solvent surety. We have been asked not to leave the state of Goa, not to intimidate or influence any of the witnesses or the complainant.
So both of them same?
Both of them same condition. 1 lakh.
The issue of sword attack at Tempo College at Altin is heating up. Panji police has issued a lookout notice against main accused Atish Kalangutkar. Police has asked court to issue non-bailable warrant against Atish Kalangutkar. College principal Radhika Naik has held police responsible for the whole chaos. Naik says had police to act on previous complaint, this attack would have never happened. This incident occurred on Thursday at Altin Santine Slope. Student of Tempo College Atish Kalangutkar attacked former student of college Govind Kandurgi with a sword on a motorcycle. Attackers were on 2 bikes and 4 in a group. Govind too was on a motorbike when he was attacked. It was a month ago when Atish and Govind got into a fight. Govind had beaten up Atish. Principal of the college had reported the matter to the Panji police.
ना जे कितें ह्या इन्सिडेंट बाबतीन उलोवपा जाय आशिल्लें तें ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टराक हांवें सांगलां आतां आनी वी हॅव डिस्कस द इश्यू इन द प्रेजन्स ऑफ नॉर्थ गोवा SP. सो आय थिंक ऑनरेबल CM विल टेक वॉट एवर एक्शन इज नेसेसरी इन दीस मॅटर.
लास्ट टाइम जाल्लें तेन्ना कितें एक्शन जाल्ली तेजी? लास्ट टाइम तुमी कंप्लेन केल्ली तेन्ना?
FIR आमी फायल केल्ली तातूंत आनी वी वर होपिंग दॅट देर वूड बी सम एक्शन. But apparently nothing had been done or nothing visible. आमकां खबर ना. Obviously nothing much happened because otherwise this incident would not have occurred.
तेन्ना एक्शन जालेला तो इन्सिडेंट जावचो ना
अशें म्हाका दिसता.
However, police claimed that as per the complaint, necessary steps were taken. After this incident, the attacker is missing. Police have issued a lookout notice against the attacker. Meanwhile, police have appealed the court to issue a non-bailable warrant against the accused. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has intervened into the matter. CM reviewed progress in police probe in this case on Friday. Senior reporter Laukik Shilkar with video journalist Omkar Falari for Prudent. The ambitious double-decker train service from Mumbai-Goa received poor response on day one. Only 10% seats were occupied. The double-decker has been launched during Chawat to avoid rush in Konkan during Chawat. However, it would be early to predict the response as the festival is just a week away. The train arrived at Karmari railway station at around 5:30 in the evening on Friday.
Like a train, so it was good experience.
And what about the facilities there?
Food was good. It was very neat and clean. Facilities as usual as it is there in any kind of Shatabdi trains.
So comparatively, general train,
It was better. We got a better view of the Konkan railways.
No complaints. Some small technical problems. That's it.
comfortable? अच्छा था.
लेकिन टिकट थोड़ा ज़्यादा है.
टिकट ज़्यादा है.
इसकी वजह से बहुत कम रिस्पॉन्स.
लेकिन और
लेट हुआ लेकिन बाकी ट्रेन भी अच्छा है.
कंफर्टेबल है.
कंफर्टेबल
बहुत अच्छा है लेकिन क्या है पब्लिक ने रिस्पॉन्स नहीं दिया और वो चालू होती है कुर्ला टर्मिनल से तो उसके लिए उधर पब्लिक जाने को नहीं करता है. बाकी गाड़ी बहुत अच्छी है, क्लीन है, बाकी सब कुछ अच्छा है और फेयर जरा अच्छा है.
Let them wipe everything, na? That would be better. The stands where they listen.
no proper cleanliness is there.
Yeah, only that place where they're listening. So little more care can be taken is better.
In addition to the double-decker service, there is Shatabdi premium service on the route and special permission has been given for more than the 5 halts stipulated for such premium trains. Even the timings have been chosen carefully keeping in mind the travel pattern on the Mumbai-Goa sector. This is an important time when the railways will know how this new policy to saturate a sector with special trains during the festival periods turns out. This could be repeated on various other sectors for other festivals like Durga Puja, Diwali, Christmas and so on.
सकाळी 5:30 सुटली आणि करमळी स्टेशन हांगा पावली 17:25 म्हणजे 5:25 लोकांचो बरो प्रसिद्ध मेळटलो आनी तुमकां दिसता म्हणजे 10 सप्टेंबर पर्यंत चालू आहा गणेश उत्सवाचो लागून बरें एक दिसता बरी फॅसिलिटी मेळटा आनी कम्फर्ट आनी बरें हें आसा.
Reporter Vivek Prabhu for Prudent. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.